What is the inverse sine of negative 1? What is angle? Pi? Say again. Inverse sine of negative 1. For which angle sine is equal to negative 1? Negative half pi, right? Sine pi is equal to 0. Sine half pi is equal to 1. And the sine of negative half pi is equal to negative 1. And also, this negative half pi is between the negative half pi and half pi. So it's in the range of the arc sine. So is the value for this, okay, inverse sine of negative 1. Number 3, what is the inverse sine of 1/2? Pi over what? 6, right? Pi over 6. You need to memorize the angles, okay? All those common used angles. Memorize their values. And when you see the values, you should be able immediately to see out the angles. Okay. Now, what is the arc cosine of negative 1? Pi, right? Arc cosine of negative 1 is equal to pi. And pi is also indeed between the 0 and the pi. So this is the value for this arc cosine of negative 1. Now, arctangent of negative 1 equal to negative pi over 4, right? So we have there's several special angles, pi over 4, pi over 3, pi over 6, right? Now let's look at the number 6. So this is the composition of two trigonometric functions. And first, let's get the arc sine of the 1/2, which is equal to pi over 6, right? And then tangent of the pi over 6 equal to what? Equal to what? Tangent of the pi over 6. Root of 3 over 3. So inside this is equal to pi over 6. So tangent of the pi over 6. And this is equal to the root of 3 over 3. Okay. Now let's look at the number 7. What is the value of this number 7? Can you see this immediately? Is equal to 3 pi over 4? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Can you cancel this sine and this inverse sine and to get the 3 pi over 4? So first, you just ignore this part. First, ignore this part. You need to find the inverse sine of something, right? So that is angle we obtain from this inverse sine function. And this angle must be between the negative half pi and half pi, right? And right now, 3 pi over 4, which is bigger than the half pi, is not in this interval, right? So definitely 3 pi over 4 cannot be the value of this inverse sine. So actually, to get the value, first you evaluate the sine of the 3 pi over 4. Okay, what is the value of the 3 pi over 4? Sine of the 3 pi over 4? Yeah, positive of what? Root of 2 over 2. Okay, because the reference angle is equal to pi over 4, right? And this is in the quotient 2. So the sine, SIGN, of the sine function is positive. So it's equal to sine of the pi over 4, which is equal to root of 2 over 2. Now, this time you can find the sine, okay, inverse of the root of 2 over 2. Now tell me, what is the angle? What is the angle? Pi over 4, right? Pi over 4. You see, pi over 4, which is different from the 3 pi over 4.